Hello, today I'll be making rustic potato pie with prosciutto and you can use any kind of cheese, but I'm using Havarti cheese, and you'll need some Parmigiano Reggiano, and these are the ingredients. Butter and milk and flour are for the bechamel, which you'll need, in order to put everything together. Stay tuned. So first we're using the bechamel. We're putting a layer. Oops. So now I'm layering the potato that I boiled for 10 minutes previously. And the bechamel, if you are interested to know how to make it, you can check my YouTube bechamel for the lasagna I made on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to put a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt, and now we're going to layer with some cheese. And now I'm adding the prosciutto cotto. You can add mozzarella if you like. I'm going to put a little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano grated. And then I'm going to add another layer of bechamel. And now I'm doing the second layer of the potatoes. And now I'm adding another layer of the cheese. So I'm putting the second layer of prosciutto. Oopsie, not pretty. I opened the prosciutto in advance, and that's why, but it's no biggie. This is the last layer of bechamel. This is the last layer of Parmigiano Reggiano. So I'm adding the last layer of bechamel. In the last layer I added just the potatoes, and now we're going to add the Parmesan cheese and put it in the oven for 45 minutes to bake. And I hope you guys try this. And this is the layer of the last layer of the Parmesan. And this will go in the oven just like this. The rustic potato pie, it's ready. It smells delicious. And I hope you guys give it a try. Bon appetit!